What's up guys, it's my birthday today, so we're gonna do a short video by request. I know a lot of people have been talking about, is Canva okay to use for print on demand recently? And while I know there's already YouTubers out there that have covered the topic, I've been asked in comments by multiple people to weigh in on my thoughts. So that's what I'm gonna do in this video. Let's get to it. I was reading Canva's terms of service in search for an answer, which led me to the intellectual property policy, which led me to the licensing agreement, which led me to the extended licensing agreement. And instead of wasting your time with all of this, guys, I think I found the answer. So I will link to this. This is the full licensing agreement on Canva, section 9, prohibited uses. It says you definitely can't do these things with any free or pro content on Canva. The only question is, what do they mean by content? That's the real question. To me, that means probably graphics and fonts are probably protected. So while people say, yeah, just don't use the graphics, honestly, guys, like that probably includes fonts with it. But each font is like its own unique use case. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, though, if you disagree, if it shouldn't include fonts. Because I know some people were saying, yeah, just, create the text in Canva and then upload your own graphics. I mean, I don't know. You do what you want to do. I'm just giving you my thoughts and what I found. Right here, bullet number 5. This is, again, prohibited uses, what you cannot do. All right, I'm going to read number 5. Use or display the content on a standalone basis on websites or other venues designed to induce or involving the sale, license, or other distribution of, quote, on-demand, end quote, products, including postcards, mugs, t-shirts, posters, and other items. Guys, I think that's pretty much it. I don't think we need to look any further than bullet number 5 right here. I'll put this link in the description. If you agree, if you disagree, weigh in on it. Let me know. I'm doing this video because I was still seeing questions. Even though people, I love that the community engages. You guys email me links to other YouTubers' videos. You say, hey, watch this, or hey, what are your thoughts? That helps keep me in the loop because honestly, I don't watch that much other YouTuber content in this space because I try to keep my own videos my own, keep them fresh. So anyways, guys, I hope this was what you were looking for if you ended up watching this video through to the end. By the way, this is the last day. If you're watching it on Tuesday, my birthday is today at midnight. My birthday sale, 20% off. It is officially over. So if you want to save 20% on my full print on demand course, guys, the link will be in the description. If not, it's all good. I hope you make a bunch of sales and have a great rest of your day, great rest of your week. And I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.